Hello there, it's Charlie from WTI, and let me tell you a bit about this slim case from the brand tomtoc. One thing I always worry about is taking care of my laptop since I carry it with me all the time and use it for my classes, work, or watching videos. This case has helped me to keep it shield from crashes or any damage. As you can see, it has a very basic design, which I really like because it's not for showing off, but for taking care for my laptop. It has a filter that helps maintain a temperature that doesn't harm the computer. It has a pocket where I can put the charging cable or anything else I want. Another functional aspect of it is that if I'm somewhere without a stand to finish off it from overheat, I love the material of this case because I can put it on top, allowing air to circulate well and feeding off it from getting hot. I have complete confidence in this slim case from TomTalk because it helps me keep my laptop chilled. And that's my point of view.